Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do the line dance now. You got the intro, you know the song. Let's get down to it. So what we're going to do is you're gonna start with your right foot and you're gonna do a step together, step going to the right. So it's gonna be right, left, right. And then you're gonna go to the left using your left foot and you're gonna do left, right, left. So it's just step together, step. So again, it is right, left, right, left, right, left. Very good. And you can also, as I was doing, you can add the bounce to it. So I was doing a little bit of a bounce and a bounce. Or you can just keep it normal. You can just do right, left, right, left, right, left. Whatever you prefer, but I think we got that. So it's a step together, step to the right, and a step together, step to the left. And then we're going to do 2 walks going forward, starting with your right foot. You're going to do right, left, and then you're going to do a right, left, right. So you're going to make a half a turn going to your right. So it's going to be right foot goes behind, right, and then we're going to step out with our left, left, right. So again, we just finished the step together, step together, step, 2 walks forward, right, left, then we bring that right foot behind, we do right, left, right. So when you bring your right foot behind, you're already turning, and then when you bring that left foot out, you're going to bring the left foot out to the side, and then step forward. So we'll show it again. It is right. See how I did that? When you bring that right foot behind, I go directly to the side, and then I'm going to bring my left foot out, the left foot that's forward, it's going to come out and together. Okay, so one more time. So we'll do it from the 2 walks going forward. You do right, left, and you do right, left, right. So now we are facing a new wall, and you're going to do the same thing that we just did, so but on a different wall. So what you're going to do is going to the right, you're going to use your right foot, same thing, and do step together, step. So it's right, left, right, and then that left foot, we go to the left, left, right, left, 2 walks forward, the same thing, right, left, and we're going to make a half turn going back, turning on our right. So we bring that right foot behind. So remember, that right foot goes behind your left, turn to the side, the left foot comes out and forward. So let's try that whole thing from the top. I'll count you in. I'll count you in on 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I say 8, that's when you go. Okay? So we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 2 walks forward, right, left, right, left, right. And then we do right, left, right, left, right, left. 2 walks forward, right, left, right, left, right. Very good. Moving on. So now we're going to do heels and toes. So remember, your heels at the back. It's the bottom one right here. Ugh, I got yucky feet. Or yucky boots, I mean. Oh, they're so dirty, I'm sorry. You're using that heel. So you're going to do right heel forward. So bring that heel, so the toes are up, the heel's down. So when I say heel, keep the heel down, toes up. So you do right heel, left heel, and then you're going to bring your toe out to the side. So you're going to use your right toe together, left toe together. So again, it is right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe. Okay, so one more time, it is right heel, right toe, left toe. And then you're going to do that again. So then you do right heel, right toe, left toe. So you do that 2 rounds. So the first round, let's go from the first heel, starting with your right foot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, right toe, left toe, and again, right heel, right toe, left toe. So we're going to leave that left toe out, then you bring it in, and we're going to do a grapevine going to our right, but it's a turning grapevine. So I'll show you how we're going to do it. So we're going to be going to our right. So you're going to bring your right foot out, right, left foot comes behind, then the right foot comes out, and then you're going to brush your left foot like this. Brush, left, in. So I'll show you that again. So this is a turning grapevine, so we're going to our right, so we're bring our right foot out, left behind, right foot comes out, and we're gonna brush our left foot, brush, out, together. I'll show that one more time. And we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, and we brush, out, in. And then you're gonna do it again, turning grapevine, going to our right, going to our right. So we're going to our right this way, and we're going to our right this way. I was gonna say we're going to our left, but that's not our left, that's our right. So we're going to the right again. So we do right, left behind, right foot comes out, and we're going to brush that foot back together wall, step, in. It's actually a lot easier when you do it faster. When I was doing it slow, it's actually hard to hold that foot up, but it's quicker, so it's not as challenging. So let's try that for the first turning grapevine, okay? So we just finished the right heel, right toe, and again, right heel, right toe, left toe. Now we do the turning grapevine, right, left, brush, step together, right, left, right, brush it back, step together. So with the actual speed, it would look something like this. Right, brush, step together, right, left, brush, step together. So keep practicing that if you find it a little challenging, but if you're ready, we're going to continue moving on. So after we just did that, so we'll go from the last one, right, left, brush, step together. And now your right foot step together, but you're going to bring that right foot out. You're going to do right, left. So just a couple marches on the spot, right, left. And then you're going to kind of do like a hip roll. This is for all you ladies that want to do it. The guys can do it too. But so you're going to do right, left, and just like a hip roll. So what I do for that is I bring my my left hip goes out, and then I bring it around and back. So left hip goes out, around, and back. So it's like hip roll back. So you start here, and you end up going back to the first position. So again, we do around and back to that first spot. And if you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. It can feel a little uncomfortable. So if you don't want to do that, you just do right, left. You can march 4 times, but if you want to add a little bit of hip action, you can do right, left, around, and back. But it's a little bit faster, so it's right, left, around, back. And then we would start the dance again on the same wall. We haven't changed yet. We do, there's a restart in this dance. It's the 3rd time we do the dance. That's when the restart comes in, and that's when you start to change walls. But right now we're facing the same wall, so we do it again. So you do step together, step with the right, step together, step with the left, and we go 2 marches, so not 2 marches, 2 steps forward. Right, left, and we do that half turn. Right, left, and again, step together, step with the right, step together, step with the left, right, left, and we do that half turn, right, left, and now the heels, right heel, right toe, right heel, right toe, left toe, and then we do that turning grapevine, right, left, and rush, step together, right, left, brush, step together, right, left, and we do that the hip roll or whatever it is, around and back. Or, like I said, you can just do right, left, and then we do the dance again. This is the last time we're on the same wall, and then we do the restart, and then you end up facing different walls. So, I'll show you guys I'll show you it again to show you the restart, where the restart is, okay? I'll count you in. And a 5, 6, 7, 8, together, step together, step. 2 walks forward, right, left, right. Step together, step together, step to the left, right, left, right. Right heel, right toe, right heel, right toe, left toe. Now this is where it comes. You do the turning grapevine, so you do right, left, right, brush, step together, and then this is where the restart would come in. So you go right, step, so you do step together, step together, step, and you do it. But you wouldn't be doing, so you would do the first turning grapevine. So sorry, be right, left, right, brush, step together, and you wouldn't continue on with the other turning grapevine. You just go right into it, doing the dance again, doing the step together, step to the right, step together, step to the left. Everything stays the same, continuing on. It's just on the third wall, so the third time you do the dance, once you do the first turning grapevine, you step together, then you go into it, and you can almost hear it in the music. There's a restart there, so just be ready for that. So start to think like, okay, this is the first wall, second wall, okay, third wall. The turning grapevine's coming up, and as soon as that comes up and you step together, then you get right into it. In my other video, I'm going to be doing a full dance with the music. I'm going to say when the restart is coming, so you guys won't have to prepare too much, because I'll say restart, and that's when you go. But this is just explaining the dance. So we'll pretend like we just started, so we just finished the turning grapevine, the first one, and let's do from the restart. So let's go from the turning grapevine, first one. So we do right, left, right, brush, step together, restart. So then we do step together, step together, step, 2 forwards, 2 walks going forward, right, left, turning to the right, left, right, and step together, step to the right, step together, step to the left, 2 walks forward, right, left, right, heels, right heel, right toe, right heel, right toe, left toe, turning grapevine, right, left, right, brush, step together, right, left, right, brush, step together, now right, left, and that hip roll and around. And then you do the dance again, facing a new wall. I hope you guys really enjoyed this dance. I'm going to do it as a tutorial, and so pretending that the music's playing, but it's not going to be, so you guys can see it without me talking and see if you can try to do it with me. So I'll count you in, and then I'm not going to say anything, okay? So this is where you have to really focus. Okay, so I'll count you in. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, guys. Congratulations, you did the dance. First of all, so make sure you stay tuned for next week, where I'm going to have the dance with the music, so you can dance with it and all that fun stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this dance. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that just shows me I'm doing my job right, I'm doing it well, and it just gives me a little bit of an ounce of courage to continue on and continue doing such great videos for you guys, because I really want to put out new line dances and some other stuff like tap dancing. I'm still doing that too, so please stay tuned for that, because there are more tap videos coming as well. Also, if you watched my previous videos, I was saying that there was going to be 1 week in April that there might not be a dance or a line dance or a video, because I was going to be away on vacation, and it just so happened that I was away, but I had plenty of videos that I filmed, so I had a video up when I was on vacation, so we don't have to worry about that. There's going to be no video that is going to be missing. There's no video in April, because this is the last week in April, so there's going to be no videos missing. So then we can continue on in May, and yeah. So I hope that made kind of sense, and I hope hope you guys stay tuned for next week because it's going to be with the music. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!